So why is the agricultural here in your list?
This conversation is part of an explanation of the order of the sacrifices, part of a general theatricization or ritualization of the psychodynamics of a bygone era, that has been used somewhat as in itself an alphabet of identity, and preceding that, those civilizations in turn used alphabets and used God and used the knowledge platforms of their time for them to synthesize and use as instruments to analyze and to further understand and further understand. So these plateaus of knowledge presume existing sets of specialized knowledge, and often we don't give enough credit to where knowledge and traditions and what sages say and what culture and better judgment of earlier civilizations have their ideas on things. And what I'm saying is that there is embedded, presupposed, critical knowledge, presupposed knowledge of things which can be heard from a slight mention of an idea or a structure of an idea which presupposes all sorts of other things. And an example of that is what you just asked about, the agricultural cycle. When we refer to sacrifices, every sacrifice presumed that the priest would know the entire cycle, everything to do with how that product, that merchandise, how that sheep, that the cattle, how it was grown, where it was grown, its weight, its value, its how every part of the sacrifice, the meat, the skin, the sinews, the horn, the cuffs, for what food, the different types of preparation for it, where it will be eaten, and which halls, which is going to give them to what populations, to which social classes get the best meat and which get the worst, which get the raw materials. The entire ritual relating to only one portion of the sacrifice implies so many different things when it comes to a highly ritualized process, because the ritual is not just of one person, it's of another, and the ritual has a function that embedded in it is knowledge, and the language of the people that function and their way of communication embedded in it is more knowledge, instruments, influences. Their influences being their relationship to other sets of knowledge and attributes, all the different components, human components required to exercise, to exchange, and to share, and to transmit that knowledge. So that when you ask about the sacrifice, the agricultural cycle, as it is relived in the order of the sacrifices, represents the sum total of human knowledge how it survived in terms of its food sources until that time. And it's all presumed within a ritualized part of the prayer every morning in the monotheistic tradition.